I'm originally from Ireland, and I was invited to train in Johns Hopkins Hospital in the United States, which is a very prestigious hospital. And I then moved to the United States and lived there for many, many years. I completed all of my training in the United States. Having finished my training, I was invited to become the partner of one of the professors of plastic surgery. Prior to doing this, I went to Brazil in South America and trained with the people that are considered the leaders in their field. I've worked on 4 continents. I've yet to work in Australia, but I've worked in the other 4 continents of the world, which has given me a unique perspective. I see what people want varies a little from country to country. Their ideas of beauty vary a little. However, there are some constants. I would say all over the world, people want to look healthy. They want to look young. They want to look basically like everybody else. I'm certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, and they will only certify people that have trained in a recognized training program whose length is typically 7 years. And the training includes training in reconstructive surgery as well as in cosmetic surgery. My first exposure to hair transplantation was in Brazil, where I worked with a very famous surgeon who is credited with introducing micro and mini hair transplanting techniques. Later on in my career, I joined Hart and trained with several of their physicians in Dubai and in several centers in the United States. And the thing that I like about it is that I think the patient is always the number one. And, the people will not push somebody into doing surgery just for the money. It will not benefit us in the long term. If we do a good job on somebody and do it right, I've seen that person send their brothers, cousins, and many friends. So if you treat the patient right, that's the way to build a good business. Many men have thought about this for a long time. In fact, I don't know that I've met a man that it hasn't concerned. I think baldness is something that annoys all men. Some obviously more than others, and I don't remember meeting a man who said, "Oh, good, I'm going bald. That's great." I haven't met that man yet. In most cases, we can help the person. Sometimes the help is the form of advice, and the advice is do nothing. But many people out there, we can help improve their appearance and give them a natural and permanent solution. So the best thing is to come in and have a free consultation with one of the physicians that specializes in this area, that sees thousands of people just like you every year, and this is at no cost and it's no obligation on your behalf. So I think if you're considering any procedure, you want to make sure that the person doing it, or in the case of hair transplantation, that the whole team are accustomed to it, that they do a lot of it, that they do it right, and I think you can be sure of that when you choose Hart, because we're world leaders. We have performed thousands and thousands and thousands of transplant procedures, and for us it's a routine. For you, it's very special. So you should choose somebody for whom this procedure is a routine, not somebody who does it once a month, because they won't have a system, it will take them longer. The grafts will get dry. If they do grow, they may not grow as straight. Your hair may be a little bit more wavy, it may be thinner. You should only get this done once, so get it done correctly.